Menu configurations determine how your kiosk will record the various absences within your school. It's based on a numeric keypad, and each key on the keypad can have either an absence reason or submenu assigned to it. How you build this menu structure will depend on your school's policies and procedures. In this example, you can see quite a few menu items already. You can add as many of these as you like by entering a name and clicking Add. Just by looking at these 4 menus here, you can imagine that this school might have 4 individual kiosks located in those places. To see this working, let's take a look inside the attendance main menu. Whilst this might look a little complicated, it's actually quite straightforward. Here you can see the keypad numbers and their corresponding absence reasons or menu titles. Some keys may in fact be a submenu with more options available within. And you can see an example of that straight away here with the sickbay menu, as there are 3 options available under the sickbay menu. Let's just quickly see that working. From the Sentral main menu, I can access Kiosk from within my browser, and I'll take a look at the front office kiosk because that's using the attendance main menu. If I sign in as a student and then click on sickbay, you can see that 3 further options are revealed. Let's go back to the menu configurations. As I scroll through the list, you can see that the numbers from 0 to 9 all have reasons or menus assigned to them, although you may have noticed that number 2 is not represented. Let's quickly take a look at that again on the kiosk keypad to see if that really is the case. And yes, key number 2 is in fact vacant. Let's assign a reason to this key so that you can see this working. Going back to Kiosk Setup, click on Add New Reason submenu. I'll enter in late, finishing homework. Then it's a matter of selecting the appropriate details. This will be a late arrival. If this item was going to be a submenu with further items available beneath it, then I would select Menu. Now, it's not really a great reason to be late, so we'll leave that as unexplained and select Unjustified. Then select whether or not authorization is required, or if slips need to be printed. We'll leave this as displayed under the attendance main menu. Using these 2 options here, you can determine whether or not this menu item is available all the time or only at certain times of the day. Then choose whether the menu item should be active or not. And finally assign the keypad number, either by entering it into this box or clicking the number on the keypad. Then click Save. You'll see that this reason appears in the menu, but let's see if it actually appears in Kiosk. And there you can see the new keypad item active within Kiosk. Just going back to Setup one more time, you can use these buttons on the right to edit your menu structure or remove menu items. And these fields here give you a quick view of which features you have selected, such as whether authorization is required or if slips will be printed.